So this is the finished product. Nice clean skin. It also lighten dark spots as well. So I'm trying it. You know, this girl try everything. So like I'm in Jamaica and I can get the natural thing, the aloe vera. If you haven't seen it, it looks like this in real life. So this is it. So I applied it on my face. So let's see.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Peace. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a mask facial and I'm using the aloe vera, and in this bottle I've got some honey. So I used the natural thing, the aloe vera, and I put it in a bowl and had the honey. And when I googled, it says the benefit of the aloe vera is that it's a natural moisturizer for the skin. So because it's natural and it's good for dry and itchy skin as well. It's excellent for anti-aging. So let's see if it works, because the girl is getting old. Okay, like everyone else. So you can mix it with honey. Oops, sorry. With honey, which I do, or you can do cinnamon or yogurt. It's not a, like a mask would be like so thick. It's not that thick. And you just apply it on the face. And it says it's remove dark spots as well. So let's see if it works.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.